scar onto human existence. Nearly 2% population of India is having some or the other disability, physical or mental. Some of them are blind, while some are dumb. But despite their disabilities, many have conquered their illness and have excelled in their respective fields. Their anguish can be very prime example for other struggling people of our society. In Pune city of Maharashtra, Chaitanya Medical Services, which is also known as CMS, is ardently working for the betterment of the people with disabilities. It helps them to live life independently. It helps them to make their dreams come true. CMS has successfully completed 7 years of its determined services. The founder of CMS, Dr. Anant Bagul, and his team has taken tremendous efforts to make this dream a reality.
In India, more than 2% population is suffering from some sort of disability. Due to disability, these people lag behind socially, mentally, economically, and financially in the day-to-day race of the life. These are the persons who needs our help. They need to be rehabilitated. With the same intention, Chaitanya Vaidyakiya Seva Sanstha was established in 1999. Our aim was to make the India free from disability.
Dr. Bagul and his team initiated their work with finding out the reasons why people get these disabilities. They came to conclusion that ignorance, poverty, wrong beliefs were the major problems besides unavailability of proper medical facilities. After analyzing the causes, they started finding out the solutions. They realized that they could use a Russian technology called Ilizrav to overcome these disabilities. And yes, over the period of time, it has been proved very useful for them. CMS has not restricted itself to Maharashtra. It has expanded its reach to other states like Bihar and West Bengal.
In last 7 years, Chaitanya Society has operated more than 5,000 disabled persons free of cost. After the operation, all patients were free from the disability and they could be able to do the day-to-day normal activities. A person who couldn't walk before started walking after the surgery and total rehabilitation program. We had treated not only patients from the Pune but all over Maharashtra. Even patients from the Bihar, Bengal, Orissa, Tamil Nadu are coming to the society for the help.
They arrange get-togethers and operation camps for the people with disabilities in and outside of Maharashtra as well. Over the 7 years of selfless service, CMS has operated over 5,000 disabled people.
In last 7 years, society has done more than 5,000 operations of disabled, and we could help the disabled to stand on their both feet. Not only we are treating the patients from Maharashtra, but patients from all over India are coming forward to seek our help.
CMS has been providing medical treatment to the children with disabilities from Pakistan and Bangladesh as well. It has totally changed the life of these children who had no solace to their agony due to the circumstances in their native place.
We are very proud to tell that not only Indians but non-Indian patients are also coming forward to seek the help. Our main aim is the patient are same anywhere. So even we have treated the patients from the Pakistan who came forward to seek the help from us, and we are really proud to tell that these patients went back to their motherland with a helping hand from our society, and a message of the peace and tranquility from the India.
पुणे के एक डॉक्टर ने एक पाकिस्तानी बच्चे के पैर का सफल ऑपरेशन किया है। पुणे के चैतन्य अस्पताल में पुणे के चैतन्य अस्पताल आए और एक खास ऑपरेशन के बाद उसके पैरों की लंबाई बराबर हो गई। हे रशियन तंत्रज्ञान वापरून पुण्यातल्या एका डॉक्टरांनी माफक दरात शस्त्रक्रिया करत पाकिस्तानातील 2 युवकांसह 8 परदेशी मुलांना आपल्या पायावर उभं केलंय।
10 साल का राजेश पाकिस्तान के सुरकर का रहने वाला है। बचपन में पैर पर एक भारी पत्थर गिरने के बाद से इसका पैर खराब हो गया था और वो चलने फिरने से लाचार हो गया।
डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा बिल्कुल ठीक हो गया, इसे जरी कभी फर्क नहीं होगा इससे घूमने में। हमने उस पर छोड़ के भगवान के रूप में वही भगवान का रूप है हमारे लिए। हम तो आज देख रहे हैं, आज बिल्कुल ठीक है। बहुत खुशी हो रही है, 2 दिन से घूम रहा हूँ, चल फिर रहा हूँ। डॉक्टर साहब ने बहुत अच्छा किया जो मेरा ऑपरेशन करके मुझे घुमाया फिराया। अब मैं पाकिस्तान जाकर दूसरों बच्चों को कहूँगा, वो अपने माता पिता को कहेंगे, वो भी यहाँ उनको लेकर आएंगे।
Today they stand on their own feet, all thanks to CMS. Dr. Anant Bagul and his team at CMS dream of making disability-free Indian society. They have a dream project of building a rehabilitation center for disabled people.
These innumerable disabled persons or children, they need the helping hand from us. They need the help to let themselves rehabilitated, and they want to have a normal life like you and me. We have to provide them a helping hand by giving them the rehabilitation. Chaitanya Society also wish to establish a disability home for these children where they will avail the treatment free of cost and will go back to society as a useful member to society and not a disabled member. I appeal to you that let's come together, join hand and help this section of society who needs the help to the most. Thank you.
They need help and support from all of us. A small portion of help for this noble cause will go a long way in attaining their dream project.